Hello there. My name is Eric Emmanuel Fasha, and this is my CIS 111, which is 111 semester reflection video. So, first things first. What was my favorite part of the class? My favorite part of the class was the way the class was structured. I really liked that under each course material or under each quiz, there's a PDF or a link that has most of the information you're gonna need, and the way the teacher kind of set up the lesson plans, you just go through it and one thing adds up to another, and I just like the way it was really structured. Yeah. Going to, what's the biggest challenge in the class that I faced? The biggest challenge I had first, I would say, was the improv speeches, but more specifically, stuttering while giving those speeches. As you can see, I do stutter a lot when giving speeches. So that was one of the biggest challenges I faced, but I did overcome that by preparing more simpler words that don't require me to use my S's, since I stutter a lot when I use the words that start with the letter S or have like a sound. So that's how I kind of overcame that. Again, 2 to 3 tips that I would give to any person incoming who's gonna take this class next semester or another time, or yeah. I would say show up to the class. You kind of miss a lot when you don't go. But also, if you do miss the class, there's online resources, there's the PDFs I mentioned about. Read those, they are really helpful. The second tip I would have to say is look confident or sound confident. So with my stuttering, if you can't sound confident when you're stuttering, so I'd say if you're giving a speech or trying to convince a bunch of college students to listen to you, you gotta look like you know what you're talking about or sound like you know what you're talking about. So that's something you could take from that. And what's a big picture lesson I took from the class? I would say from this class, I really learned just like the people around you really matter, because I got to know some of the people who were sitting around me, and they really helped me a lot when I was kind of struggling. And another thing is confidence is key. I know I already talked about this, but confidence is key. So yeah, confidence does really affect the way people perceive you and the way people just like accept you as a whole. So try to be confident in what you say and how you look, how you dress, and your whole demeanor should be confident in yourself. Thank you.